हेलो गाइस, स्वागत है आप लोगों का अमेरिका में। वेलकम टू द यूएसए। For cars to cross, you see there is like so many, but it's still slow. Hello guys, good morning, welcome back to my channel. My name is Garima and I make travel videos. So right now I'm in Mexico, but I didn't vlog anything in this country because I was here only just for 2 days. So I took a flight from Costa Rica and then I flew to Mexico, and the city name is Monterrey. I'll write on the screen. And from here the US is very close. You can literally cross the border via bus. So you can enter Texas from this part of Mexico very easily. So today we are going to take a bus from Mexico to USA. So welcome back to my channel. Let's start this vlog and I'm quite excited. It's going to be my first time in USA. I've never been there, and I will tell you all the immigration process, what happened. I have a quite a recent Somalia visa, so I think it should be okay because I'm a traveler. I can go to any country. What's their problem? There should be no problem about that. And let's start this vlog. So I'm in this beautiful city. Actually, this city in Mexico is quite expensive compared to other cities. So this is Monterrey, and let's go. Very hot weather. Mexico is going through summertime right now, but quite nice. So let's start this video. And before we start this vlog, I really want to thanks a person named Bert. He's from USA and he sent me a big support via Indian bank account. And actually right now since 2 months I'm going through depression. I don't know if I should say depression or not, but I'm sad. Let's just put it this way. Something happened in my personal life, and even today you can see my eyes are a little bit swollen. So I was going through a lot last 2 months and I didn't work. Guys, I have traveled America without working. Can you imagine? Like, oh my god. Like, I didn't, and I never thought I will be depressed when I come to America for the first time, but it happened. I hope we'll get through this time one day, maybe in few months. So thanks to him for his huge support. And then there was one man from Texas. He sent me the message that during Argentina problem, if I need any payment to be done via Western Union, he helped me via buy me coffee. So thanks to him also. I'm coming around Houston, but I don't know if I'm coming to Dallas. If I'm in Dallas, I'd like to meet you. You can email me or Instagram message. So thanks to these two guys, it meant a lot, especially during this time when I'm so sad. I don't know what's happening in my life. So anyways, let's start this video. Let's see how we cross border from Mexico to USA and enter Texas. I'll keep you updated and I will tell you what happens in immigration. And now we have to take like literally Uber to the bus station. So let's go.
¿Maíz quieres?
Okay. Okay.
Hacer un teléfono.
See, get the order for the tacos.
Hacer un frijol, un taco, uno.
So guys, I'm at bus station. This is the bus station right behind us, and I'm going to try like taco for the first time in this supermarket. Not the right place to give the judgment, but it's early morning and we had to catch the bus. So in 20 minutes we'll board, and the bus is right there. It's American company, Greyhound. So we have to travel with it. I think today is Flixbus. We'll find out. In Mexico, that's how they make chapati. So this is like just a supermarket, and we are at the bus station finally. And cheese, beans and chapati is our breakfast. So let's try. So maybe I can just put randomly. And yeah भाई, gracias. ये tacos है यहाँ पे. you know, they have announced about the bus only in Spanish, and I don't know which is mine. But I think our bus is at 11:30, so it's the same one. People are actually boarding. Let's eat and go. So guys, I'm in bus finally, and the bus company is like Greyhound. It's American company if I'm not wrong. And before I could get into the bus, I had to pay the fee for border control for USA, which was like $30. I never knew this, or I've never heard about it. If I knew, I would have done it before, but I was like on my phone like just 1 minute before the bus would move, and I was like, we were paying and there was some error, but then we fixed it and I could pay that $30 for the entrance fee into United States. So yeah, that was done, and now we'll try to cross the border. So I'm in bus finally, and it's going to take like 5 hours to reach the border town. Then we have to change to another bus. So let's see how it goes. Cheers. As I told you, we have reached Nuevo Laredo. Okay, so on the USA side the name is just Laredo, on the Mexican side is like Nuevo Laredo. And see, when you are depressed, it gets so boring that I'm going just to the supermarket to get the coffee to do the time pass, because if I'm sitting like doing nothing, my mind is feeling more stressed. So I'm like, if I drink coffee, it's like I'm still thinking about coffee. And I literally asked the conductor, are you sure the bus is going to leave at 3:30? Because I'm going out and it's 3:10. He was like, yeah. So see, this is how the border town looks like on the Mexican side. Like, we are literally maybe 5 kilometers from the border. This is the food place, and the supermarket is right there. But guys, see the buildings in this town near the border. It already gives the vibes of like USA, like square building blocks. So this town in Mexico already look like USA, and I know it's like Mexico, but now in English it's okay to say Mexico. I cannot be saying Mexico all the time. On Indian accent or English accent, it looks weird. भाई हमें 3:30 से पहले वापस जाना है. Like, we have to go back before 3:30. So guys, this is our coffee, and let's go back to the bus station. Bhai, I literally have no feelings right now about entering in USA, but yes, I feel good that I'm going to a new country or a new place and going to see new things. Yes, that's true, even if I'm going to see from a sad perspective, because I'm sad right now, but still something new. And what I'm already seeing right now is, it feels same like South Africa. South Africa was quite similar. भाई साउथ अफ्रीका में ऐसी वाइब्स ही आ रही थी हमको, ठीक है. So South Africa is very similar to America. तो इधर भी वही सीन है. Let's cross. Jesus. So guys, we have reached like literally near to the border. Like, we are just maybe 1 kilometer to the border. but the cars are moving very slow. It's very crowded at the border. Let me show you. Um, so look at all these transport. Like it's moving pole pole slowly slowly. I thought it will be like a very big border and everything will be very fast, but let's see. Maybe it's the checking area for the transport, not the immigration. So that's why it's taking long. Maybe because they're checking the cars or what. Like we're already stuck here 15 minutes already. We are at this place. So busy. Wow. Eh, busy भाई यहाँ पे. Let's see. Cars are moving too slow. So guys, the passage is quite big, but I don't know why it's still so slow. Like there is one, two, three, four, five, more than 10 for cars to cross. You see, there is like so many, but it's still slow. He's saying something in Spanish. He doesn't announce anything in English, I swear to God. Only in Spanish. Then I have to ask translation. So guys, right here is the immigration and we are about to go. I think Mexico and USA both are in the same building. So let's go. And I cannot leave these people because I have to change the bus and I don't know how to do it because instructions were only in the Spanish. So I have to move with the crowd. Let me off the camera. We are entering the immigration counter. Hello guys, स्वागत है आप लोगों का अमेरिका में. Welcome to the USA. This is like the open bus station right outside of immigration and we are about to leave. So these are my passport. Let's go. And in some time I will tell you what are the questions they asked me. You see this building, this was the immigration. So the immigration officer literally asked me, did you live in China? I was like, no, I didn't live. I traveled. So he was like, okay. And then he said, where do you live permanently? I was like, in India. And then he was like, okay. First I thought that immigration is like of Mexico because we didn't cross Mexican immigration. Strangely, the bus will go by. Okay, so I thought that the immigration is like the officers are Mexican because there was a lot of Spanish on the building. But no, it was only of USA. So I don't have any exit stamp of Mexico. We just crossed USA, which is crazy भाई, crazy. पहली बार कुछ ऐसा हुआ है. But सही है. भाई, I did not exit the Mexican immigration. I only entered American immigration. What is this? So guys, finally welcome to USA. The first place we stopped is this Laredo bus station. So this is how the bus station looks like. You can see right behind me and even on this side. And I'm in this country just like for 5 minutes, and I think I should not say this right now, but within 5 minutes I can tell you only thing, my mind straight went into this and I told to myself, China has reached much more advanced level. USA now looks old fashioned. Things doesn't look so modern, at least in this 5 minutes what I've seen. China have reached like much beyond level. Like USA is feeling at least, if not more, at least 10 years behind to China. But let's see. let's wait for few more days and then I will give you more update. But bhai, this was like the first thing I said to myself. And we are waiting for our bus is going to arrive at that place like in 20 more minutes. Then we go to San Antonio, then we wait for um, another bus, and then we go to Houston. So yeah, that's the rough plan. So guys, I finally decided to head out because on Google Map it's saying that there is one Bengal grocery like 400 meter from this area. So let's go and buy some chips or something namkeen. I am hungry bhai, and it's not far. That's why I got out, because I don't have internet. Eh? So there is no internet connection. If I go too far, it will be difficult to come back. Oh, ये देखिए भाई, मैं आप लोगों को सड़कें दिखाती हूँ अमेरिका की। ठीक है, हम लारेडो टाउन में है। ये एक बहुत छोटा सा टाउन है शायद, यहाँ का बॉर्डर टाइप का टाउन है भाई। और ये मैप का क्या सीन चल रहा है, यहाँ से हम एक, मतलब यार ये देखिए भाई, यहाँ पे ये दुकानें कितनी पुरानी दिख रही हैं। अरे so we have to take this turn, and it's so hot right now. Why weather is like too hot. Let's not judge the country right now because this is like a border town, literally like a border town भाई. So क्या ये मैप किस तरीके से चल रहा है, ये तो रही भाई दुकान, सही तो जा रही हूँ मैं। ओके हाँ, चलते रहते हैं। बट मैप इज डूइंग राउंड एंड राउंड। लुक एट द स्ट्रीट भाई, ये देखिए भाई, दुकानें कितनी पुराने ज़माने की दिख रही हैं, अलग ही नज़ारे हैं। और रोड में इतना रश भी नहीं है, खाली है भाई रोड, आप लोग देख सकते हैं। बाकी बढ़िया, इस टाउन में मोस्टली आई सी इज़ मैक्सिकन पीपल इन दिस एरिया। दूसरी चीज़ मैं पता है आप लोगों को क्या सोच रही हूँ, लाइक इट्स माई फर्स्ट टाइम राइट, दीज पीपल ऑल्सो अमेरिकन्स एंड यूरोपियंस व्हेन दे कम टू आवर कंट्री they have their stereotype, isn't it? So the videos I have watched about gun shootings, and I'm in Texas also, so when it's like just 20 minutes I have entered this country and I'm already walking on the streets like a mad human, and there is nobody walking beside me like in this area, it's only me, right? And I'm imagining from those stereotype videos that what if someone just shot me dead right now भाई, क्योंकि हमने वही देखा है ना, लाइक वी हैव सीन दोज वीडियो, लाइक पीपल जस्ट रैंडमली शूट ईच अदर. सो आई एम वॉकिंग बट आई एम इमेजिनिंग what if just somebody shoot me from a random window and I die? Those, yo, I think there is a supermarket, I hope so, let's go. We took like chips and this juice. What happened? And it's like $5.80, so sahi hai. Oh my goodness, you might ask why I'm laughing. That was the Bengali supermarket. I went and I took the chips and juice. I was like, okay, let me get it, you know, it's fine. And then I like took my card and I was about to pay, and we tried like 5 times and it didn't go through, even the HDFC one. And then there was one more guy, he translated and he said that in this supermarket it's only like American or Mexican card which is accepted. And imagine guys, America is not under sanction, this is not Russia, this is not China, this is not Iran, and they cannot accept Indian card. I don't know, is this real? My mind still cannot process that this is real. Hey, so I don't have cash for now, so we are hungry, but let's see, maybe some another shop, or let's go back and sit in the AC. It's burning, like it's hot, it's too hot. So guys, we finally reached San Antonio. So I'm in San Antonio right now, and 400-meter from the bus station there was one Indian restaurant. So I just randomly came. Then I will eat and go back and wait at the bus station. So we just ordered dal makhni, which came with rice, but this is not like enough rice. So I think I will order lemon rice. So something like that. So this is the food, guys. Like the first meal in America, this small portion of rice and dal makhani is big portion, is like $15.90, which is cheaper than Congo and South Sudan and Senegal and Mali. This food is cheaper than Senegal and Congo. Can you imagine that? It's insane, bhai. But maybe in New York it will be like $30, who knows? But in Texas it's only $15, which is not bad. Guys, the first thing I saw in Texas that was like crazy is this cart. So I think this is a like Texan or Texas culture. Texas also give like very old-fashioned vibes, and I'm going to spend like at least 7 or 8 days in this part of United States. So let's see how it will be. My goodness, that's crazy. The first thing I saw from the bus was this cart, and we just had our Indian food. Now we are going back to bus station. My stomach is feeling good. For the food was $16, then $2 was tax, then I paid 15% tip, so everything total was $21 or $22, and the rice was refill unlimited. So of course America have like big tax, right? But that's a government thing. But the food price $16 was not bad. Then tip and tax was like $4 or $5 extra, which is okay. So I have to be prepared for these tips, man. Otherwise, do they ask tips even in takeaway? But not just in USA, even in Brazil and some other South American countries, they were always asking me tip, and if I didn't pay, they were making like sad face. In Argentina or Brazil, somewhere they were always like tip us, tip us, tip us. So I have been giving lot of tips. I think I have almost wasted my $200 until now in last 2 months for the tips, for the service that I didn't even like. I didn't even like for that. But see, this is the bus in USA right now, and we have to cross the street. That is another cart right there. Once again, देखिए भाई, फिर से घोड़ा जा रहा है. Like guys, Texas. Oh wow, this is crazy. Guys, it's evening time. I'm very near to the bus station, but I just came out because the AC is too much inside the building. Bro, like this is the bus station on that side, but I just came out because the air conditioner is like so high. And since morning today, since I'm been like sitting in the bus, so since morning I'm in the AC. Then outside right now, nice weather during the night. It's not too hot, but in the daytime it's quite hot. So this is like the street. And भाई ये मेम साहब यहाँ पे फूक रही हैं, तो बड़ी देर से बैठी हुई हैं ये भी. भाई अमेरिका में पहले दिन ही आते हुए रोड पे लोग दिखे हैं जो हर टाइप के काम कर रहे हैं. सुबह सुप्रभात, सुबह का टाइम हो रखा है. वेलकम टू होस्टन टेक्सास. हम लोग मेक्सिको से आए, फिर लारेडो में उतरे, फिर सान एंटोनियो, फिर उसके बाद ह्यूस्टन पहुँचे। एंड दिन बहुत कल का मतलब दिन अच्छा गया। एंड यहाँ पे अमेरिका के जो लोग हैं स्पेशली टेक्सास के, वो लोग बड़े हंस के बात कर रहे हैं भाई, बुला लेते हैं, अगर कुछ पूछो तो बता देते हैं, ठीक है। फर्स्ट इम्प्रेशन मेरा ये है यार, वैसे ही अभी एंड हो रहा है वीडियो का, तो छोड़ो, अगली वीडियो में मैं बताती हूँ आप लोग को। बट राइट नाउ आई एम लाइक एट काइंड ऑफ मेट्रो स्टेशन। ये आप लोग पीछे ट्रेन देख सकते हैं, ये रही। वी आर वेटिंग फॉर द वन दैट इज़ कमिंग फ्रॉम दिस साइड। Then I'm going to take train and bus and then reach my destination. So this is like a 3-hour ticket for metro and bus together for $1.25 only. So $2 से कम की टिकट है। 3 घंटा आप अनलिमिटेड घूम सकते हो। For full day और half day there was like for $3. तो बढ़िया भाई, गजब।